Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Hello guys, get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. The doctrine of police powers enunciated in various decisions of foreign courts is not applicable in the Indian context. In India, as the constitution was enacted or was framed after having the experience of various countries in the world, the concept of fundamental rights and rights like life, liberty, procedure established by law, and various legislative functions which were divided between the states and the union left no scope for any power except which could be derived from any provision in the constitution coupled with an entry in one of the three lists which would indicate that the power vested in either the state or the center. Apart from it, the scheme of our constitution is that there are no residuary powers which vest in the state, and scheme of our constitution also reveals that in case of any conflicts, it is the center which prevails and not the state, and therefore applying the doctrine of police powers will only mean to do violence in the to the scheme of the constitution. In fact, under our constitution, no powers could be conceived for which there is no provision in any one of the entries in the three lists, or which could not be justified under any specific article of the constitution. Thus, even under the concept of the doctrine of police powers, the levies imposed by the state on alcohol or alcoholic liquors cannot be justified. Writ petition number 182 of 1980, etc., etc. The following judgments of the court were delivered. These writ petitions, civil appeals, and review petitions relate to the right of the states to levy vend fee or duties in respect of industrial alcohol under different legislations in different states. We will first deal with writ petition number 18280. In writ petition number 18280, Synthetics and Chemicals Limited versus State of UP and others, we are concerned with the notification dated 31st May 1979, substituting new rule 17.2 for old rule 17.2 and providing for a vend fee of rupee 1.10 per bulk liter for all issues from distillery, but in case of FL 39 license like the petitioner in this case, the vend fee would be so charged that the amount of this fee and purchase tax together does not exceed 25 paise per bulk liter. Then there are three review petitions, namely review petition numbers 2020480, Synthetics and Chemicals Limited versus State of UP, and review petition number 17 of 1980, Kesar Sugar Works Limited versus State of UP. These are directed against the judgment and order of this court dated 19th December 1979 in State of UP, etc. Synthetics and Chemicals Limited and others 1982 SCR 531, re-agitating the challenge to sections 24A and 24B of the UP Excise Act 1910 as amended in 1972